before we talking about SEM, one possible way of measuring the data is to using multiple regression. So again, as you can see that if I can break a quality of life into different pieces of information, each piece of information here can again be break into sub piece of information, and each of this piece of information in the end can be translated into one regression model. And then so for this complicated model, if we want to analyzing the data, we will end up with multiple regression models. So each path here will be developed into one regression model. So as you can see here, quality of life itself will have multiple indicators or variables involved in. But each of the variables here also have sub-variables that need to measure it. So we will have a group of regression. In addition, its more challenge is that quality of life may not be directly measured by the indicators. It might need multiple variables. But look at all these multiple variables. Some of them are not so able to directly measure. It need more indicators here to measure the variables again. So if we really need to run the regression model here, we each time can only run one regression at one time. And so from the bottom time, we need to find out the regression in the relationships, and then we go up and then run multiple regression. It's very time consuming. It can be very complicated. And look at all the coefficients of different number of the variables here. We could easily got mistake or confusion.